Welcome to Brain Vision.
Today I'll be going over question number 34, which talks about producing lime when you add limestone to a blast furnace. So first, for part A says to write the chemical equation for how lime is produced. So you have calcium carbonate breaking down to CO2 gas plus lime, which is CaO, as a solid. For B, it says why if lime used as a flux. So a flux helps remove, it kind of purifies your sample, so helps remove any oxidized metal. Then for C, it talks about the chemical equation for the action of lime flux. So it's going to be, there's two, so it's CaO plus silica, which is SiO2, solid, gives rise to Ca, SiO3 as a liquid, or you could add lime plus P4O10 to give you Ca3PO4 2 as a liquid. And this is